Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will share the video on this topic which is available in screen. Hope it will benefit it for everyone. Before starting this session, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it so that you will receive every notification related to my channel. Let's start the session. Here we go friend. Type download Anaconda in browser. Click here. First one. Come down friend, just come down at the bottom of this page. Here we can see Windows, macOS, Linux. This one is 64-bit, 32-bit. These things are available. Same for macOS. We have to download this one. After downloading, we have to come in downloads path. Here, file is available here. Just run this and install that one. After installing, you have to open Anaconda prompt from here. Click this. After opening, we have to wait here. It will show. We have to type here from which part we have to open Jupyter Notebook. So I am opening with this path. Here we have to write Jupyter Notebook. First time it will take a little bit time. Here it started and it will open in by default in Google Chrome. This is the home page. These are the files is available in my that path. Here new is given. To create new file, we have to select Python 3 for running Python file. This is the cell given here. Here some files are available, just like new, open a new previous file, rename, save as, make a copy, like that. We can write any program just like hello world, like that, anything. Here to run this file is shortcut is Control Enter, means Control plus Enter. To insert any cell, we can insert like this, above and down. Both option is given here. You can see. These are some special point is given like markdown, heading, raw, these things. You can use this one also for giving heading and markdown. So I am providing my Python tutorial, so I write this one. If you want to delete anything, you can go like this. Delete option is given as you see. So these are total interface. You can use this one like that. So these are the paths where my all file is available. Thank you for watching this video.